Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the Cambridge House International Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2013. With me, Mickey Fulp, Mercenary Geologist, newsletter writer, speaker, and rack on tour. We have Mickey Fulp, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to start off by saying, Mick, welcome.
You read that well, Shelley, I have to tell you.
I know it by heart.
He's almost like Obama. He's got to have a couple of cue cards going all the time, right?
Hey, I know who you are. Who doesn't? Anyway, here's the question. And I'm going to drop this on you.
Okay.
Because we're at a financial conference. That's a lot of juniors. And the word on the street is there's a lot of companies that may not be here next year. There are a large percentage of the companies on the TXV are trading below 20 cents. And you know I never talk price, but that's alarming.
That's 60%.
And then I heard another cadre of companies don't have but a small amount of cash in the bank, and their best chance is to be acquired or be merged.
Or go bankrupt.
So, you're a man whose glass is always half full. The sentiment is low. What do you have to shed light on for the investors that we have coming for answers?
Well, first of all, I would say, since I am a field geologist, and by nature we have to be eternal optimists, because 499 of 500 projects we look at are going to fail. So I'm going to jump up and down and say, yay, all these bad companies are going to go away. We're going to end up leaner and meaner and cleaner, and we're going to have a much better business. And in this market, everybody goes down. Look for companies that have maintained their market cap, that have flatlined, or they may have done this, but you can draw a straight line through it and say they've maintained their market caps. Therefore, they have a cadre of devoted investors. They have a tight share structure. They have the right people who have done it before, and they have advanced projects. They have chances of making a mine. Go find those companies, because they're trading at a relatively low valuation. Really good ones have flatlined probably over the last year or so. And pick those. Buy them now, because this market will turn around, as all markets do. I can't tell if it's going to be a year or 2 years. It's probably going to take 2 years to wash them all out. But then we're going to have a really nice market, I think.
So with you, the O is for opportunity.
Absolutely.
So which companies in particular? Now let me break it down. Gold, silver,
okay.
Rare earth,
Here are the opportunities. I am a long-term secular bull on gold, copper, and uranium. I give a talk called Bull Market Fundamentals of Gold, Copper, Uranium. I'm going to give that talk in Singapore. I'm going to give that talk in Hong Kong. I may even give that talk in PDAC in March. So look for those. There are opportunities in oil and gas business. A couple of good graphite companies out there. Rare earths. I still have money in rare earths. I don't cover them anymore. There are opportunities. So be commodities.
You didn't say silver. And silver's been pretty much on everybody's tongue. You know that.
I'm a contrarian. If it's on everybody's tongue, I don't want to be there. I'm going to do something different, because that's the way you make money in a market. You do something different. You think outside the box. Silver has very bad supply-demand fundamentals to me. Has forever. It's a bipolar metal. In times of duress, it can act as somewhat like a precious metal. It's no longer money. It was money when we had Spanish doubloons and pieces of 8. That's a long time ago. We had the Panic of 1893, and silver essentially quit being money at that point. But it's mainly an industrial metal. As the world's economy goes, so goes the silver. There's no shortage of silver. So let's look at something that has good supply-demand fundamentals, like copper. Copper has been in supply-demand balance for 5 years running. We have supply disruptions projected this year in copper. We have a shortage of copper coming in the next few years because we can't develop enough good mines fast enough. We still have 4% year-over-year demand for copper. Trouble is finding a good copper company. I've got one good copper company. I'm going to write about it very soon. We're going to reveal it.
And to find out about it, you're going to go to this following website.
MercenaryGeologist.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mickey Fulp, the Mercenary Geologist, with a newsletter. Go to the website, MercenaryGeologist.com. I'm Shelley Kraft with SNN Live. We're at the Cambridge House Vancouver Resource Investment Conference 2013. Mick.
Thank you, Shelley. Always a pleasure.